Hey everybody, I'm Selena Pompiani Matheson, and I am thrilled to announce an official multi-year partnership between two incredible brands so close to my heart, Armina Stone and the Pittsburgh Penguins. In fact, I am standing right beside the partnership's keystone feature. Check it out, this brand new Armina Stone branded Zamboni. You may have seen me taking a spin on this beauty on opening night. We are so excited about it, but I want to take a closer look at that gorgeous marble print. It truly resembles Armina Stone's countertop products, adding a brilliant touch of elegance to the ice each and every Penguins home game. But Armina Stone's brand presence doesn't end there. They're also featured right here on the dasher boards during every Penguins home game. And you'll catch their logo prominently featured on local away game broadcasts as part of the NHL's new digitally enhanced dasher boards. Be sure to check out the brand new beautiful Armina Stone branded Zamboni at every single Penguins home game, and we'll see you this hockey season. Let's go Pens!